this, guys. It's Friday. Finally get a Friday off. And as the car is warming up, I just want to take a few moments to just say a few things. I almost got rear-ended like 2 days ago. It was super scary. Yeah, it could have gone way worse. Luckily, the other driver knew how to maneuver his car. My car was actually slanted a little bit, so I probably gave him a little bit extra room to brake. If I was dead straight, he probably would have hit me. It's just for some reason 2 cars in front of us just came to a complete stop for no reason. So a few months back, I actually installed a front pipe on my 2022 BRZ, and I actually never uploaded the video. I only took a few clips because we installed it at Francis's house, one of my friends, and I'm still pretty shy when it comes to like filming other people's like locations. I'm still kind of like awkward on that. So I only took a few clips, and I decided why. And I never uploaded the video just because I got so behind with like schoolwork and work and like a few other things that I decided that I'm actually, and I was going through my old footage, and I was going through my old footage, and I remembered that I made that video and I never uploaded it. So there was only a few clips that I took, so I decided that I'm gonna film the rest of it today and show you guys how it sounds, because it sounds way better than having just a stock header, front pipe, over pipe, and just one aftermarket exhaust. So let's go over what I have right now to the car. Stock headers, because there's no tunes for it yet. Stock over pipe, that's one thing I'm not going to change because you really don't have to. And then I installed the 1320 front pipe, where it may or may not have a cat anymore for legal reasons. For California reasons, it still has a cat. And then I have the MXP SP exhaust, not the Comp RS. I honestly don't like that one. It has too much drone. The SP is a lot better version, and I believe it's a little bit lighter too. So a little bit of weight savings there. So I have the 1320 front pipe matched with the MXP SP exhaust. And for headers eventually down the road, once there's tunes, I am going to do the JDL one. Hopefully they have a, 421 header. Specifically for this generation. I know they already made one, but I don't think it's the 421 equal length one. So that's gonna be like future wise. All right, shout out to Francis. You know, we live in California, so these parts are kind of hard to come by. But he's selling me his 1320 front pipe. We're gonna be installing it on the BRZ. He actually just picked up a HKS one, so far we're gonna be installing it. That's hilarious.
Gas difference. The previous gen was not that big.
Even that one, dude, that thing's massive. So huge shout out to Francis and Rodolfo, Stan Culture. They helped me install the front pipe. Can't really tell it makes a big difference. The cold start was a lot louder, and I feel like there is a little bit of a rumble now, but we won't know until we drive it. And then it ripped me. There was a bolt that was really stuck, and we're trying to remove these, and I dropped one of the bolts, and now it's just somewhere under where the aluminum tray is. So this is inside the cabin with the windows up, about 2,000, 4,000 RPM. So there's a little bit of drone, but not too much, because it does have a resonator. So, you know, it's not like very droney if it was all straight pipe. Like, there's a resonator. It's a pretty long resonator, so it covers about a good amount of the front pipe, so you won't really get that raspiness or that like big drone hearing, but you kind of do get it towards like once you're like in the freeway a little bit, but like I said, not too major. All right, so there's gonna be a little turn right here, so you gotta be a little careful. I'm scraping. This truck. Okay. And this is footage of a very ugly road. Maybe you guys deal with that. It sounds good though, I could tell you that. Oh, okay, this is a very sharp turn. Hopefully there's no car coming. A little bit of tire squeal. Oh, this part, it's like the worst part. There's actually a car down there, old school car, that, you know, went over because of that turn. It's a pretty nasty turn, I can tell you that. And there's a car behind me right now, so let me set you guys down just so I can focus on driving. Before I get started, a little snack break. I don't know why, but I love this pineapple juice from Trader Joe's. So I came to a different spot. Over there was just too many cars passing. Over here's a little more. Over here is a little bit more secluded. It's basically the same road, but this is more like rural area, I guess. This is like one of the spots Illuminate people film here. Oh man, I'm so sorry, mailman. As I was saying, the Illuminate people, they film here sometimes, take some pictures, and then this area kind of blew up because of them. So you do get a lot of other people in the car community come over here and film. It's cool. It's just sometimes they are blocking the roads, which is what I'm doing right now. So you're not really able to drive kind of fast over here. So every time you drive over here, it's like the only straightaway. I mean, when it's empty, like right now, it's cool because, you know, you could kind of like speed up, as I'm gonna show you guys in the little clips. But when there's people, sometimes it's like 5 cars, 7 cars, and they're kind of all over the place. So you gotta be like going like 25 just to make sure, you know, nobody runs in your way. So let me set you guys up. I'm telling you, people suck. Just take that with you. Don't leave the trash here. Man, look at all that trash. Mike's aren't lemonade. Bro, it's like you guys could really clean this up. Damn, look at Conant though. Oof. Alright. Let's see here. Maybe I could put you guys. So I hope you guys like those shots. Wow, okay. You know, for the people that are actually littering here, at least they're using Maguire's quick detail. But what a bunch of jerks just leaving this trash out here. Dude, they're like leaving. Is that a whole turkey? Damn, they literally left the whole turkey there. Look at that old school Coke bottle box. Oh, that's nasty. Dude, I think that bottle's full of pee.